Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many of us have faced at some point. The dreaded issue of losing important files on our computer. Whether it's due to accidental deletion, a system crash, or just a simple mistake, it could be a major setback when important data goes missing. But fear not, because today we have a solution that can help you recover those lost files and get back on track in no time. Now, let's talk about the solution to this frustrating problem. By utilizing a powerful data recovery software, such as this drill, you can easily scan your drive and retrieve deleted files with just a few clicks. This user-friendly tool is designed to help you recover a wide range of file types, including documents, photos, videos, and more. With its advanced scanning algorithms and intuitive interface, this drill makes the file recovery process quick and hassle-free. In addition to recovering deleted files, this drill also offers features like data protection, disk cleanup, and even data backup to prevent future data loss. This all-in-one solution is a must-have for anyone who wants to keep their files safe and secure. So, if you ever find yourself in a situation where important data is lost, remember that this drill is here to save the day. In summary, dealing with lost files on your computer can be a real headache, but with tools like this drill, you can recover those files and breathe a sigh of relief. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tricks. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and leave a comment below sharing your own data recovery stories. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy file hunting!